In this video we show you how easily the technical costs can be displayed in leading media proDigi and automatically taken into account in the case of free space. In conventional campaign planning with Excel, the technical costs often pose a great challenge. Highly complicated formulas, links to other spreadsheets with further complicated formulas, it is easy to lose the overview and the administration of the technical costs is difficult. Create technical costs in basic data. With the technical costs set in the basic data, proDigi offers much easier handling. The categories streaming, ad verification, Adserving and Campaign Management are available as standard. For each category you can specify the respective options and the associated costs in the basic data. Let's take the example of streaming. Here we have created 5 different options and the corresponding costs. These costs are created once in the basic data and are then available for each campaign and each position. Insert technical costs in campaign. When creating a campaign, a template for the technical costs is selected. For each position, you now determine whether and which category of technical costs are applicable. It is also possible to insert a position via the button, Add Template, where all technical costs are already filled in beforehand, if you have stored it like this in the position template. For each position, the technical costs are shown at the end of the line. In the lower part of the position window we now have the totals of the respective technical costs. If there are several results for the same category of technical costs, these values can also be displayed bundled in one line, depending on the client's wishes and agency preferences. And now it's time for you to enjoy. You now have a nice overview of all the technical costs of the campaign. You can then export the dispose to leading media and the technical costs will also be displayed there as separate lines according to your preferences. Show technical costs for free space as well. And the cherry on top of the technical costs is the automatic inclusion of free space. If I am granted 20% free space on an item, there are still technical costs for this free advertising format. In proDigi you enter the amount of the free space granted in the column NARA. Press Enter, and a new position line is automatically inserted in which the technical costs for the free space are listed. In the next video, we will show you how to use the sort, condense, filter and search functions to keep track of even the largest digital campaigns.